Hi folks, are you ready for some Algebra 1 stuff? Now, you know about the quadratic formula, but you also have been learning about completing the square. That's right folks, completing the square. So what are we going to do? Let's look at it real quick. You got x squared plus 4x plus 7 equals 0. X squared plus 4x plus 7 equals 0. What do you do with it? Well, one thing you're going to do is you're going to put these two, x squared plus 4x, in parentheses. Watch. You're going to do this. You're going to put those in parentheses, but you're going to also add a new number. How? Watch. X squared plus 4x. Now, this is the x coefficient. That's a 4. What you do is you find the half of that. 1/2 of 4 is 2. And then you square that number 2 and make it 4. So you're essentially putting a new number into the equation. You put that in there, that's a 4. So you have x squared plus 4x plus 4 in the parentheses. And then you have the plus 7 right there outside equals 0. All right? You following so far? Okay. Stay with me. Now, so you keep on going. You have 4x squared, x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus 7 equals 0. All right? Well, you're going to have to make an adjustment because you just added 4 to the equation. And that equation, you need to keep it balanced. So the way you do that is this. You got the x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus 7. Well, what you're going to do is you're going to subtract the 4. You got the plus 4 in the parentheses. You're going to subtract the 4 right here. This will be plus 7 minus 4. And that will make it down here. X squared plus 4x plus 4 plus 3. Where did I get the 3? 7 minus 4 equals 3. All right, you following so far? Well, guess what? You still got one more thing to go. You got to bring this 3, you got to bring this number over here in order to really get close to getting the answer. So you got x squared plus 4x plus 4. All right? X squared plus 4x plus 4. X squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 3. And you're going to subtract 3 from this side. And you're going to subtract 3 from this side. What are you going to get? You're going to get x squared plus 4x plus 4 equals negative 3. All right? We on the same page so far? So right there, your x squared plus 4x plus 4 equals negative 3. We're getting closer and closer. Now watch what we do next. You got the x squared right here and the 4x and 4. Now you're going to factor it. You're going to make it down. See these two parentheses? X plus 2 times x plus 2 is the same as right here, these two. And that makes it x plus 2 times x plus 2 equals negative 3. We following? Okay. Now, here comes the next step. We're getting warmer and warmer. We're almost there. Then you have x plus 2 squared. Why? Because you have, you got x plus 2 squared is x plus 2 times x plus 2 that equals x plus 2 squared equals negative 3. But we still got 2 more steps to go. Watch what we got to do. We now have to find the square root of x plus 2 squared and the square root of negative 3. Or, better yet, x plus 2 squared equals plus or minus 1.73. There we are. There we've got the answer. X plus 2 squared equals plus or minus the square root, plus or minus 1.73. And I probably should have put a plus or minus up here, but I didn't. My bad. Anyway, that is how you get to the end of this equation. This is called completing the square. You know what, folks? We're going to talk more about it because it's a fascinating way of looking at math and the quadratic formula. How you doing? Hey, it's all good. Later.